Hey folks, so I'll be just revisiting my own projects for a few days. So it will be like a series of videos where I'll be looking into the code and running few of my old projects. So today I will be looking at three projects of mine. These were like just simple personal projects which are really basic, which I did back in 2024. I just saw the dates and it's around February. So first one is registration quiz app. First one is login quiz app, registration quiz app, and file converter. What I can remember right now, this just validates the login and lets you take the quiz and displays the answers. This also gives you registration basically, where you can create users and stores it in CSV, local CSV, and also stores the user data in I guess CSV. I'm not sure about it. Also, it saves the result and stuff. File converter is basically like just text file to HTML converter. That's it. And as what I can remember, I did use ChatGPT to build this back in the days. So let me just run it in Eclipse right now. Starting with the login quiz app. It's just totally hard coded, static, in where we have the data user one, password one, the UI, basic UI has been defined. Action performed is just to display the password and not to display the password. Handle password just checks for this forgot password. Yeah, it check for the forgot password object and basically checks over here is the password correct or not. That's it. Find user by username also does the same. Login worker is a string worker which okay, it validates the form inputs, and if login is successful it redirects you to the online test class. Otherwise okay, login button is what is this? Okay, invalid username or password. Okay, got it. Self-explanatory actually. Forgot password. Okay, over here I can run this individually also, or create an object like that. It's done in that particular object. Okay, it asks you the security question. If it's okay, retrieve the password. It's a button. Action performed. Retrieve password. Okay, your password is or incorrect answer by validation. Okay, user is just type definition of the user. Got it. Online test. Okay, has four buttons. UI to display the answers and the buttons. Got it. Okay, these are the question. These are the options. Where is the correct answer then? Okay, over here we have the check answer function to create check the answers. Got it. Let's just totally run it. Okay, what is my okay, user one and password one. User one, password, password one. Okay, let's check first for the wrong input. Okay, invalid. Not bad. It also goes on. Okay, what if I forgot the password? Forgot password. What's your pet's name? What is it? What is it? Fluffy. F-L-U-F-A-Y. Fluffy. Okay, password is password one. Password is password one. Login. What? There was a typo. Okay, password one. Got it. Okay, this just gives me a. Okay, I bookmarked it so that I will go later. And now I come return over here. Oh, not bad. It follows the same. It's I guess like a stack. Just randomly. Okay, result shows you the results. Checks the answer. That's it. This is the first app that I created. The iteration was the second app, which uses the same forgot class, forgot password thing, and also the user validation type, user database. Okay, this is something new. Okay, I'm creating it in a text file, not CSV file. Loading, okay, error loading text file. Okay, first we are loading the user data from over here. Okay, let's just check Gaurish test 123. What is your name? Gaurish. Okay, got it. User, okay, online test or login app. In login app, we have login UI for the login. Check perform. Okay, handles password, handle registration, renders, and different UI. Okay, got it. This is the registration. Yeah, online test remains the same, but what it does is finally it writes to CSV. Okay, which is over here. So yeah, it just gives it the CSV. Hmm, login app. Yeah. So let's register test one. No, test enough. Tester, 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 and again test. Everything is test. Okay, username is test. Password is hoo. Okay, we'll just have everything done properly. Okay, we got registered. Again the same. Next. Bookmark, boolean. Next. Result. Okay, I got two correct answers, which should be written over here. If it's written, then we are good to go. Yeah, this project is done. These were the two projects. The third one is just the one which I think I did it completely using ChatGPT back in the days. It asks you for the file name, checks for the file availability, converts it to HTML. Okay, output is written over here from HTML. Create output file, get output file by name, get output file by name. Okay, extension will be .html. Write the file as this. Okay, got it. Let's just run it directly. File path or name. Okay, hello world world. Hello world.html. What is it? Okay, test 1 2 3. कसं करतोस? Okay, got it. So these are the three projects which I saw right now, which have the public repositories. If anyone would like to contribute or star it, you can just go ahead and do that. This is my port. I mean, this is my GitHub profile. I'll be looking into more of my projects in the coming days. See you there.